Hey everyone, this week we're going to be taking the Nikon Z 24-200mm on a little walk around the German countryside. So right now I'm not in Germany, I'm in the UK, just taking notice for a little walk. But I wanted to record the beginning and end of my video because last week I was in Germany and it was more of a family visit, a bit of a holiday. I didn't really have much time to make a full video with lots of talking and stuff. But I did recently get a GoPro Hero 9 camera and I thought it'd be a really good opportunity to take that with me. I can attach it to my body, just walk around, film a little bit of footage when we were out doing a hike. So there's going to be no talking in this one, it's just footage from the GoPro and interspersed with some photography. The walk took place in an area called the Eifel, which is in the west of Germany. And we actually started the walk from an old monastery, which is called Kloster Steinfeld. So we're going to start the walk from there. In a moment you're going to see that footage and I'll catch up with you again at the end of the video. So there you go, that was my hike in Germany in the Eifel. It was a little route called the Milchweg, which translated means the milk way because there are so many cows and things in that area. It's a lovely little route. We had glorious weather, as you can see in the footage, and the Nikor Z 24 to 200mm is a fantastic lens just for walking around on those types of journeys and hikes, because it's so light, so compact, and you've got such a range going from 24mm to 200mm, and the quality is great. It's not an S-line lens, but it's still pretty good. So that's about it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Next week it's back to normal. I'll be doing a bit more talking in that one. That might be a good thing or a bad thing, I'm not sure. So if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed and you'd like to do so, just click down here on the big red button or over here on my face. And that way you'll keep up to date with everything I'm doing each and every week. There's a new video every Sunday morning, 10 AM UK time. So thanks a lot for watching everyone. I hope you'll catch me next week for the next one. And until then, thanks a lot and bye for now.